and today I'm going to repair my valve stem for my Phister garden tub. What happened was, when you turn the water on, I noticed that water was seeping over the edge of the tub, and it was coming from right underneath the knob. So I decided to, investigate. When I took the knob off, I noticed that water was filled up in that hole, and I figured I had to go a little further. Make sure you turn off your main water for the house before doing this job. So I ended up having to take the stem out, and there's a few steps before that. As you can see, there's a flange that goes around the stem, and I'm turning it counterclockwise to get it off. And that's, be careful, don't break that. So that comes off, and then now the whole stem is exposed, and that's where I used a wrench. I used an adjustable wrench to loosen it up, and then slowly spun it out. The washer at the bottom of the stem was what was going bad, so I replaced it with a new one, and I'm going to reinstall at this point after I secured the new one in place, and did that. Now I'm just tightening it up. Oh, by the way, the washer, replacement washer is 00. 00 if you need that information. I'm tightening it up right now, and this should solve the problem. So as you can see, you don't want to over tighten it, so just use a good amount of pressure when you're tightening it up. I'm putting the flange back on at this point. And then I'm going to put the knob on, the plastic acrylic knob back on. So I'm screwing it in, as you can see. That's it.